Have you been considering embarking on a homestead lifestyle where you're in charge? Do you picture a life where you are flourishing alongside nature, but at the same time you're unsure where to start? Your dream of a self-sufficient lifestyle, cultivating your own food and forming a deep bond with the land, really can become a reality, not just a dream. But maybe you are a little unsure and even a bit apprehensive by all the hype and sometimes confusing information flooding the internet. Maybe you wonder if you could really do this. There are hundreds of homesteading and off-grid videos available only a click away. Many have a list of to-do steps for a variety of homesteading tasks, and many of these videos are well made and very helpful. However, others not so much, and most will not give you a systematic approach on how to obtain your goal. A video about raising chickens and collecting eggs can be very helpful and inspiring, but may not give you a realistic view as to what it took to be able to get to that point. Are you at a place where you are wanting and needing more information than simply watching someone chop firewood, install a gate in an abandoned pasture, or feed chickens? Are you tired of watching other people live your dream of a successful homestead? It need not be a mere fantasy anymore. Envision a small vegetable garden or a full-blown farm with livestock. Either way, it's your vision, and that should be the cornerstone of your planning. At Off-Grid Homestead Companion, we want to stir that dream anew. Our approach is to present homesteading from a practical and realistic approach with information that can make a real difference in your journey. We assume you have the basic skills to be a homesteader. As a result, we will not show you how deep to plant a tomato plant or how to cut a hinge opening for a door. There are some very good videos available that can be a great help for those projects. This video, as well as our other companion videos, will give you an overview of what homesteading is all about and what you must do to obtain your vision. We encourage you to continue your dream as we expand on topics you are about to view. It is an attainable goal that offers self-reliance and peace of mind, but it has to be done correctly. This is about tracing your sustenance and tranquility back to your own labor. It is not about a fad. It's about a lifestyle that's as timeless as humanity and as crucial as the future. It's about being dedicated to this lifestyle and doing it the right way with the right information. Becoming a homesteader entails much more than securing a piece of land and purchasing a second-hand tractor. It demands resolve, commitment, and enthusiasm for this fresh life to prosper. So, should you find yourself fantasizing about such a lifestyle, don't go anywhere. We're about to dissect your dream into 10 straightforward, informative steps. Step 1. Every great venture starts with a solid plan. When it comes to homesteading, your plan is your lifeline. You need to dive into research and understand the laws and regulations of your chosen location. It's not just about finding the perfect spot. It's about knowing what you can and cannot do there. And it's so much more than buying the first piece of land you can afford and pitching your tent. Invest time in research. Study books. Visit different farms. Engage in conversations with other homesteaders. Absorb their experiences and strategies. Make a note of what works for them and what doesn't. Now, let's talk about weather and climate. It's more than just deciding if you prefer the heat of summer or the chill of winter. Your climate affects everything from the crops you can grow to the animals you can raise. Next, you need to think seriously about soil type and quality. Whether you're planting robust vegetable garden or raising livestock, the quality of your soil is paramount. Understanding local flora and fauna is also key. This knowledge will help you decide what to plant and how to protect your homestead from local wildlife. In homesteading, every decision matters. Step 2. Your homestead's success hinges on the land you choose. It's more than just a piece of earth. It's your future home, your pantry, your livelihood. So, what should you consider when selecting the land? This is a crucial step and needs careful consideration and research. Homesteading isn't just about country living. It exceeds those conventionally defined boundaries. It signifies the defining of a lifestyle. You can start a homestead in many places. Contrary to popular belief, homesteading isn't confined to vast fields and pastures. In most cases it is, but it can be a small backyard patch. There, you can cultivate your own produce, rear chickens for eggs, or even maintain a beehive for honey. So look at all your options. First up, in a traditional homestead, as we are covering in this video, water access is paramount. You need a reliable source for drinking, washing, and irrigating. This cannot be emphasized enough. Making a trip every day to a nearby spring or pond just to get enough water for your daily activities will get very old very fast. Make water sourcing a high priority. It will relieve a major source of stress for not only you but your entire family. Putting this at the top of your to-do list will reward you every day with something you probably now take for granted: fresh, clean water. Next, soil fertility. Your land should be capable of supporting a wide variety of plants. Rich, loamy soil is a gardener's best friend. A beautiful view from a rocky slope may make you feel in awe, but it will not fill your pantry. Choose wisely. Lastly, proximity to resources. You might fancy the idea of being miles away from civilization, but remember, you will still need access to supplies, healthcare, and community. So consider your land's distance from towns or cities. Your land is the foundation of your homestead. Step 3. Now let's talk about creating your sanctuary. Building a home on your homestead is a task that requires careful thought and planning. The type of home you build should align with your lifestyle needs and principle. Maybe you're drawn to the charm and solidity of a traditional log cabin, or perhaps the modern appeal of a sleek, eco-friendly tiny house is more your speed. Earthships, cob houses, or yurts are also options, each offering unique benefits and aesthetic appeal. Take into consideration factors such as energy efficiency, resource usage, and adaptability to the local climate. Remember, this isn't just a house, it's your home. You will weather the seasons, cultivate your dreams, and build memories here. Your home should be seen as a living, breathing part of your homestead. It must integrate seamlessly with your land and your lifestyle. Your home should be a place of comfort and efficiency on your homestead. Step 4. Water is life, especially on a homestead. A reliable water source is the heartbeat of self-sufficiency. It's not just for drinking, it's for irrigation, livestock, cleaning, and more. Consider all options: wells, rainwater harvesting, or even a nearby stream. Each has its benefits and challenges. Wells offer a constant supply, but drilling can be pricey. Rainwater is free but depends on the weather. Streams are great, but may require filtration. Your water system, it's a lifeline for your homestead. Step 5. Nothing tastes better than homegrown food. Now, let's get our hands dirty and dive into the art of growing your own food. It all starts with planning your garden. Consider the size, location, and what you want to grow. Seasonal veggies, herbs, and fruits can provide a varied diet all year round. Raising livestock is another avenue for self-sustenance. Chickens, for instance, are a good starting point. They're easy to care for, and they provide eggs, meat, and natural pest control, plus they mature quickly. Remember, composting is your friend. It turns scraps and garden waste into nutrient-rich soil. It's the circle of life, right in your own backyard. Lastly, it's important to learn crop rotation and organic pest control. These practices ensure a healthy, productive garden and minimize environmental impact. Growing your own food is not just about feeding your family. It's about the cycle of life, respecting nature, and enjoying the fruits of your labor. Growing your own food is an essential part of homesteading. Step 6. Ever thought about becoming energy independent? Well, today's the day we dive into the possibilities. Living off the grid doesn't mean you have to live in the dark. And living off grid does not always mean you have no connection to the modern world. Many great homesteaders use a combination of off-grid power and grid power that is available in their area. There are many sustainable energy options available that can assist or supply full power to your homestead. Solar power is a popular choice, and with good reason. It's abundant, renewable, and the sun isn't going anywhere anytime soon. By solar panels, you can harness this powerful resource, providing electricity for all your needs, from cooking to heating. Wind power might be a better fit for you if your homestead is in a windy location. Wind turbines are an excellent source of renewable energy. They're low maintenance and can produce power day or night, regardless of the weather. The potential of hydropower should not be overlooked if you have a moving body of water on your property. Harnessing your own energy is a step towards true self-sufficiency. Step 7. Waste not, want not. When it comes to managing a homestead, efficient waste management is key. It's not just about keeping things tidy, it's creating a cycle that enhances your homestead's productivity. Composting turns kitchen scraps and yard waste into nutrient-rich soil for your garden. Recycling can reduce the amount of waste you produce. Repurposing items gives them a second life and reduces the need for new purchases. Effective waste keeps your homestead clean and productive. Step 8. Homesteading doesn't mean isolation. Rather, it involves a deep connection with your local community. Being part of a community fosters a sense of belonging and mutual support. It's a network of relationships that can be vital in times of need. Imagine if a storm damages your crops. Your neighbors, who may have been spared, can share their surplus. Or perhaps you're skilled in carpentry, and your neighbor needs help building a shed. You can trade your skills for something they have, like fresh eggs or extra firewood. This synergy of skills and resources makes everyone in the community more resilient. Moreover, social interaction is a fundamental human need. A community provides opportunities for socializing, celebrating, and simply enjoying the company of others. About shared experiences, laughter, and companionship. In essence, being part of a local community isn't just about survival. It's about thriving together, embracing the spirit of cooperation, and building stronger bonds. Community enriches your homesteading experience. Step 9. The learning never stops in homesteading. Just as seasons change, so too do the techniques, technologies, and challenges that come with this lifestyle. It's essential to keep your knowledge fresh, to stay on top of advancements that can make your homesteading more efficient, and to adapt to the ever-changing climate conditions. There are many valuable videos online from some very successful homesteaders. Don't be afraid to harness their knowledge and experience. Follow them and learn from them. Remember, every day on the homestead is a new opportunity to learn, to grow, and to improve. There will be victories and losses, times of plenty and times of need. But each of these experiences is not just an incidental occurrence. They are opportunities for you to grow, learn, and adapt as you face successes and failures. Embrace the journey of continuous learning. Stay curious, stay adaptable. Step 10. Finally, remember to enjoy the journey. Don't get so involved in trying to complete a section of fence that can wait till next season that you forget why you wanted to be a homesteader in the first place. As you embark upon this homesteading adventure, it's not just about reaching the end goal. It's about cherishing the process, learning from the inevitable missteps, growing and making memories with your family or partner, and celebrating those small victories along the way. Whether that be your first successful harvest, or the day you finally get your energy system up and running. It's these moments that make the journey worthwhile. You can do this. It does not have to be a dream any longer. Begin today for rewards tomorrow, and don't forget to record your progress for future generations to enjoy. With today's modern technology, you can create unimaginable memories with the phone in your pocket. Homesteading is a lifestyle, not a destination. Enjoy every moment. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the practical side of homesteading, subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. If you think this lifestyle is for you, check out our other how-to videos that give valuable in-depth information on each of these steps in easy-to-understand instructions. Begin your journey to fulfill your dreams today, and thanks for listening.